Hold on. I'm the face to see and the place to be, man. I'm the nigga that they hate, and you broke, so I can't relate. Yeah, I heard they want to kill me, but they ain't got enough money, man. Get your motherfucking dough up and make a whole step from hauling up, nigga.
You see it. Building cars from the ground up over here, man. 6'4" Impala frame off on the left. Get up under there later. Knock all that stuff from underneath. Got the front clip off. Yeah, they building them like they should over here, you know? Ground up, no spray and play. Ground up, builds, ain't no spray and play. SS Money back here, candy coated, hitting like Tyson in the 90s. It just gotta be cut and buff. And we be dancing, paint dancing like Shakira. 7 tray dunk back there. It's gonna be hurting feelings in the dunk game this summer. 75 dunk next to it. Milk and honey over there. 6'4" candy coated thing under the plastic. 6 deuce over there in the cut. Yeah, man. Yeah, they're working. Ground up builds, man. Ground up builds. Look at the candy on this SS. Man, shuffling these cars around so we can get the 77 MC up there on the left. Snatch the frame up off of that. Get it over the blast. And frame off the fuck off.
I was out at that fucking swap meet, man, and some dude had a bunch of shit for sale. I know him, he used to own house at Hard Tops. And so he was like, hey.
Let's get out here to the MC, see what we got going on. We got the Ken Dickens cut off up in there. Hirsch Hatch T-tops is cut off up in there now. Headliner snatched it. I'm gonna put a suede headliner up here with the starlights. Got the dash snatched out. It's gonna get wrapped up and refurbed. Yeah, but suede headliner. Changed the dome light. Rubber for the T-tops right there. Dakota Digital. Focals in the back. Box for miscellaneous other parts. Trunk full of miscellaneous other parts. So it's time to get it together now, man. We're gonna snatch this thing up there on the lid. Snatch the frame and get to work. All right, let's see. Pop the hood. Engine bay is cleaned up and painted. We're gonna clean it up and probably shoot the engine bay again though before the heartbeat get dropped off up in there. But been up for debating, trying to figure out what block I want to put up in there, man. I got a fresh big block just ready to go. It's pushing 700. Look at that paint, man. It's pushing 700 that I can drop off in there. And then I got something to supercharge. I ain't gonna say what, but I got something with a supercharger on it that I can drop off in there too. So it's just all on what I decide to put off up in there, man. You know, but what would y'all do? A big block or something with a supercharger?
Right, start the block. Let's see if the arm of the lift wants to hit the bar before the perch hits the chain.
It's gonna be crazy when we're done with it, bro. This is gonna be crazy when we're done with it, bro.
We got the fucking paint up here.
Hell, oh yeah.
Down here too.
You got it, because that's the one jack.
Frame off. Time to snap. weather stripping in these. Hers hatches. This weather stripping is in there now is non-existent, awful. Can't dig it, it's cut up. Let's see what else we got back there. I know the QA1s is in the back. See Billet Racing. Yeah, slowly but surely she coming along.
Get with WD-40, you let it sit like overnight.
Yeah. Let it get in there and penetrate. Break some of that shit down.
It's gonna come off though.
Yeah, these body bushings are hit. It's all good though. You know we gotta put new body bushings on there. Get that old paint off the frame. It's gonna come together, man. It's gonna come together. It's getting a little bit dusty, but you see what the paint gauge is for. Under the dust. Yeah, I got the heartbeat off, motor up out of there. Now, gotta decide what block I want to put up it back in there. Like I said, I got a fresh big block. It's pushing close to 700. It's ready to go. Ground up, rebuild on that, and fresh to death. Then I got something special, man. They got a supercharger on it. I don't want to say what, but it's ready to go as well. So I don't know, what would y'all do, man? Would you go big block or supercharge? All right, I need to send these Daytons to Cali to La Harbor to get them replated. That's where the gold plating is being done at now. If y'all didn't know, La Harbor and Cali, since Dayton shut their gold tanks down years ago, that's where it's getting done at. So. I should send these Ken Diggett handles off to get plated too. Idea. Man, I ain't gonna lie. The price that they charge for this T-top rubber should be against the law, man. Straight up. Headliner with the lights, suede headliner. The coat digital, throw a center console off in there. New rubber. Dayton's ain't that bad actually, but they definitely need to be plated again, especially from putting the knockoffs on with the tool. A little bit faded, but La Harbor gonna get them back cheesy again. Big hubs, not the little one. Man, Gary and Dayton gotta bring back the big hubs, bro.
Cross my mind.
All right, check out the paint on this 7 tray. Hard top dunk. That pearl hitting. This dunk gonna be one of the hardest in the city come next summer. It's gonna have a lot of y'all that got dunks going back to the drawing board. Then the paint on this 6.4 SS. She already know what the paint on this 6.4 do, man. That brandy wine is hitting. Hitting. I've seen a couple dudes out there that say they got brandy wine candy, but it don't hit like this. Maybe it's just candy base coat. Which is alright. Candy base coat will give you a semi-effect of what the candy paint will do, but it's not gonna have that depth like that candy paint.
gonna consider. We may consider fucking undoing that, taking it down, or at least tape off where we painted it and spray the fucking nice, the shit like we're gonna do on the floor under. At least we don't want to do nothing like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
See, look at all this shit. It's gonna be a whole different ball.
All different ball game.
See all the shit that's underneath, it won't be wrinkled up like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, nice smooth texture.
We want these painted too. We'll paint these. And then you see all this shit on the back of the bumper here?
Uh-huh.
I'll really put some detail into this joint. Yeah, we'll get this tranny out of here tomorrow. All that shit's coming down. We'll have
We could just leave this on the framing.
Yeah, well, all that shit will all roll out of here.
Yeah.
That tranny's connected, stepped up to the frame too, so that'll just drop down. We'll disconnect anything to it. Make sure that exhaust back here is on here. That'll all come down. Yeah. Yep. Straightforward. See that axle fucking. We'll make sure that axle, everything get cleaned down.
Yeah.
Sprayed, new coating, everything look brand new underneath there. Everything. So doing this, not only does the frame get hit, but you touch everything else in there, so nothing is grinding whatsoever.
Here she go, milk and honey. Yeah, 4 switches of milk and honey. Milk and honey got a nice frame underneath it too. Real good. Tell milk and honey with that thing when it first got built. And the build ain't bad now still. Snatch the MC off the frame. Send the frame. Glass. Get it cleaned up. Painted. Those suspension back on that. I'm gonna kill it with coilovers. Control arms. Yeah. Upper and lower trailing arms. Gonna get a new exhaust put on there. Fuel line, brake line got to get put on there. Even though the fuel line and brake line is on there now. It's only a couple years old. I just don't like the way the other shop did it, man. Front, upper and lower control arms, tubular with those. Let's see. Radiator brace, all this getting cleaned up, man. No rust, no dirt, grime. Next time y'all see this, yeah, man. Eat mac and cheese off of this motherfucker, you hear me? Snatch the money off the frame. All right, we got the bumper off. You know, the bumper's got to come off before you can snatch the frame. We got the front bumper off. We're going to have to cut the bolts to that back bumper off. Some of them is rusted and seized up. Bumper probably ain't been off since '76 when they first got them to put them on, you know?
We decided to go out of the park with this
Out of the park, yeah. I know every
to the point where ain't a motherfucking thing on one motherfucker can say to make any doubt.
Nothing, yeah. Every screw, every bolt pulled off the frame. Paint, T-tops, handles.
I tell you what, man.
Watch this transformation. You know, a lot of this shit look ugly under here right now. But watch this total 180.
No, I don't think they would have been able to do the
Upper and lower
tops, bro.
trailing arms being replaced, tubular.
I don't think they weren't able to bend the tops.
Front control arms going tubular. Underbelly of the whip getting hit. You know what I'm saying? Drive shaft gonna get hit.
got Gary Spencer lining all that shit up.
Ah, yeah, Gary.
I've been sipping, I've been pimping, I done dinner scene everywhere. Ever since I lost my big bro, really I don't care. If I get on my line, she gotta give me.
Who I salute and I follow, bro, is fucking Rod out in Florida.
Who?
Rod.
Oh,
They did brown
bad motherfucker.
paint,
Rod
body
is a
work,
bad motherfucker, bro. Straight
paint,
up.
body work,
Rod's a
mechanical,
cool
bro.
motherfucker,
Hell yeah.
Rod's a cool motherfucker. Rod, he going ahead. He going to talk to you. He
Yep.
share information. And now he owns that 24 karat gold.
Alright, we got all the body bolts out. Body bushings out. Most of the fuel line is pulled. Brake line. Just gotta get that tranny up out of there. And the drive box, steer box. And yep, take a good look. This will be the last time you see this joint looking like this. Dusty, cruddy. Next time you see it, it'll be a total 180. New exhaust, drive shaft cleaned up, frame painted, underbelly hit. Yes, sir, I can't wait.
Money making flavor. That's what it sound like, nigga. We pull up, nigga, making flavor. We pull up summertime, nigga, drop top, cool. All the shit, you know how we do. Money making flavor. Peninsula Park, Young Park, wherever.